What's up, traders? Keon here. We're going to be looking at how we did this week with our analysts, myself, Elkin, and Eva. Now, before we get started, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pushing out that content. If you haven't already, join our group absolutely free for 7 days. You get access to all our channels and all our trades absolutely free. If you don't like us, it's not a problem. Keep all the money that you made. All right, let's get started. It was one hell of a week. In the beginning of the week, it was pretty slow. Not too many trades going on. But we're going to start with Elkin. Elkin had 11 winners, 1 loser. So that's a 92% winning ratio. That's pretty insane. And the biggest winner he had, and it may not look like it, is these 2 alerts. Everyone knew what happened with NVIDIA. NVIDIA ran up like crazy yesterday. So these alerts went from $1.82 all the way to $3,000 per contract. I remember there was one contract that costed 3 cents and that thing went to $9. So NVIDIA was the play of the week, in my opinion. With that being said, I mean, 11 winners and 1 loser, you cannot go wrong with that. So let's go to myself. I had 9 winners, 1 loser. We are still holding 4. Those 4 that we are holding are actually profitable. We just did decide to swing them. The charts do look good. So those 4 still holding, but we still had 9 winners, 1 loser, which was Affirm. And this trade actually became profitable. This is what happens when you have too tight of a stop, but we had to be conservative. It was a very risky play. So, you know, we had no idea, but this trade, some people actually held and made money. So I guess we did have 10 winners. And last but not least, Eva. Eva had another 90% win rate this week. She had 11 total signals. Another week that she killed. So safe to say that we had an amazing week. I believe we had over 30 alerts, maybe 3 losers. Gotta love it, right? Earnings are out the way for the most part. And I want to say one last thing. I want to give my thoughts and prayers to all the Peloton shareholders. It is okay. You'll get through it, but it's a tough loss. Well, that's it for today's video. We will see you on Sunday for our watch list. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks.